What's going on, guys? So it's raining its ass off, but we're gonna go take the beater and we're gonna take a trip down to Andy's and see what's going on with Daren's wide body project.
I'm sorry, but I gotta close the windows when I record because Jersey don't know how to be quiet. We can't keep calling, we from Jersey. My whole team full of savages. Yeah. Put it in work. Put him in that dirt. Police try to check me. Shit, I had to put him in the dirt. Bang. Fuck around and get murked. Sky blue streets, trying to step on my turf. Pockets looking big, I got ounces for the perk. If you niggas want that beef, I let that Uzi go to work. Bang. Let my young niggas eat. Put 300 white tees. 300. Put some sign to the streets. Sack on my wrist, probably cost me a G. I ain't lying. Eat these niggas breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm hungry. Yeah. I'm on my dope boy shit. OTF on my coke boy shit. If you take God bars at your homegirl spit, cause the way you niggas rapping at your homegirl spit. Hell yeah, I'm cocky, so get off my dick. If you scared to get shot, then control your list. Talk about how you want it, first control your bitch. Let's talk how I'm selling with my iPhone 6. Looking at the crib with my iPhone, bitch. Move that body like a cyclone, bitch. Shout out to my ex when they found another bitch, nigga. All I know is grind like I came from a dish. Hold up, cause there's levels to this shit. Can't fuck my hopes.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. You let people stick a finger in your face and tell you you're no good. Cowards do that, and that ain't you! You're better than that! You changed. You stopped being you.
I'm retarded and forgot to turn the fucking camera on, so yeah. Seems legit.
Yeah, fuck my work. All the work.
Whatever. Andy is the best. Come to Southern Maryland. If you're in Southern Maryland, come see this guy. Right here.
Or Northern Virginia.
Nova, DC. This man will totally cut your car up for...
Super cut it.
Yeah, if you want some merch, hit him up. Get some merch. This guy, he's got merch on. Look at that. Just follow him on Instagram. I'll put the link below.
Hey, bro, I got the ramen. Yeah, that's some good stuff. Y'all hand me the sauce. Hand me the sauce. Hey, and get that water boiling, boy. Hey. Ramen, get them thick noodles. Ramen, give you bitch my noodle. Ramen, don't you touch my noodle. Ramen, where my noodle? Yeah, add it sauce, that's hot. Eat the broth, that's hot. What a deal, that's hot. Ramen real, that's hot. If a uni study with a pack of noodles, it is ooh. Get it cheap at Betty, say she's selling every type of soup. What you doing cooking me? 20 minutes every piece. Look, I finished on my food. You still waiting under me? What you finna fucking do? Trap a noodle with a stick. Whip it around just like your dick. Whip it, hey, yeah. Ramen, get them thick noodles. Ramen, give your bitch my noodle. Ramen, don't you touch my noodle. Ramen, where my noodle? Yeah, add it sauce, that's hot. Eat the